Hello guys, myself Arpit Gupta. Today I'm gonna make a live demonstration video of our software for the main project of CS476, which is SprayTrack web application. It is a full stack system which is designed to manage spray records digitally, which gonna helps in replacing the paper-based system. Our system supports two roles, operator and administrator. Right now on our screen you can see like Vercel portal, which I used to deploy our main project, basically the front end. And this Vercel is pointing towards the backend, which is deployed on our railway portal. I will show you how our system works. This is our login page. We just gonna see demo users, which gonna create the users in our database and help us to log in. With our email, we have to log in with operator first. Then we are signed in as a operator. Now what we're gonna do, we can see our recent records here, and now I have to, if I want to create a new spray record, I can click here, or if I want to see my records, I can see them here. These ones are the ones which were done by one of our teammate to do some testing. I'm gonna click on a new record here, and this is gonna apply the date, which is today's. And now I'm gonna add the details. Let's add calcium here, just making a random. Now this is our PCP act number, and this is our chemical volume, and you can see these are the stars which represent these are the required fields. If we don't fill up with these of the fields, this is gonna show some error. On our chemical volume, we're gonna add how much we have added the chemical, let's say 3.8, and how much water we use to make it dilute. We're gonna add 65 liters. If I want to add any nodes, we can add done most of the parts, most of the area need approval. We're gonna add this, and next we're gonna click next, and we will add the location. This is our map, which is on Leaflet. We used OpenStreetMap, and let's say we want to go with this location. We can create a polygon as well, like using this tool, or if you want to use the coordinates, we can use that as well. I want to test it with the polygon here. So this is our interactive map. So polygon, we're gonna start with here. Let's say we did this much area here. This is gonna create the polygon, and it gonna take the central latitude and longitude from the map here. If we want to create the location description, we can make it, we can say East Regina. Then we can click save location, and it will show up the review and submit portal, which will say how much, like if we want to review our data, if it is all good or not. It's gonna status to draft until we click submit here. Once we submit here, it's gonna show record submitted, and when we click on our back to dashboard, we have submitted here. This one is the latest one we did. Then we can go to log out, and we can log in with admin operator, admin in test.com. Our password is same for it, and it's gonna show us all the submission has been made. This is an admin dashboard, so we can approve, flag, or whatever we want to do with the record, we can do that. We gotta go to the manage records here. If we want to either approve this one, the one I just submitted, I can click approve, or if I want to have a look on a application like what they submitted, I can have a look and make it change. If I want to approve it, I will just click approve here, and it will be approved and it will be updated on the operator dashboard as well. We can have a look on the map as well. If we click on map view, if we select one of our location, this was the map I made on the operator dashboard, and it's working fine on our admin too. This is our location for this part. Now we can, if we want to flag or view or anything we want to do with our submissions, we can like click flag and it will be flagged, and we can see these changes on our operator dashboard as well. Like when we go on our operator dashboard, it's gonna say this was the one which is approved by admin and this was the one which is not, which is flagged. We have to review it and make some correction in it. We have one here which is a draft, which is like not submitted. If we want to work on it, we can click continue, we can click edit draft. Everything is good here. We can like make the water volume up to 47, next location, and we can make a polygon, or we can use my location as well. To use my location, it will allow us to give the access. We can allow while visiting this app. It's gonna take my location over here and make a like small box. This is taking my latitude and longitude, which I will just click save location, and then I will click submit record, and it will be updated on our admin dashboard. Now over here we can see the manage records. If we go to the last one, which I just made an edit, we will go here, we will see what was the information here. Water volume, this was the one I edited. I can click approve. If we go to the map view, and if we click here, this is showing the same location as mine, which works really fine. And now I can show you my dashboard here at the backend. I deployed my backend over here on the railway, which is this one is a backend, and we can see logs here, which shows our deploy logs, build logs, and HTTP's logs. Whatever we are doing over there, it's working fine. Saying 200 means it's working fine, no errors there. If there is something number with 404, that means some errors. 300 is an error. If we want to have a look on our database, we can go to the MySQL here, which is also deployed on our railway. And if we go on our spray records here, and we can find all the records here we have submitted on our website. If we want to use some queries, we can use the queries here. Let's say I want the record like every information from spray records where PCP Act number is 223. When I press enter, it will show up the data. We have just one, and we have every information about it. We have the location here, status is approved, which is created on this date, and it is updated on this date. Now if we want to have like something specific, let's say we want select geometry center longitude from spray records, and like we don't need to filter it, we want every information. Unknown column, okay, there is a here. Now it will show up all the longitudes of our records submitted. If we want with PCP, where PCP Act number is 223. It will show up only the longitude of the location which has a PCP at 223. Okay, this is our end for our video. We are all good with our project. I want to thank all of my teammates who did a very good job. This idea was proposed by Nolan, and yep, we made it, and we made it happen as a team. Have a great day.